Hey guys, this is Miss Clark. I am going over the On Your Own practice for 1.05 measure angles. And here we go with number 1. So I'm going to take a snip of this, or I can draw on it, because that just helps me. Alright, so we have point C is on BT, which angle is supplementary to LCT, so that's this angle here. Supplementary means adds up to 180 degrees. That's also a straight line. So the angle that is supplementary is this BCL. So that's what we're going to put in. Already has the angle for us. BCL. Let's see if we're correct. Excellent. Tells us our explanation. Number 2. Alright, I'm going to do this one without the snip. LCT is this angle right here. We're looking for a complementary angle. That means adds up to 90 degrees. So we have this square that tells us this is a 90 degree angle. So the two angles that make 90 degrees with LCT is this LCJ. All right. Now we're going to take a snip because we got to write in some info. All right, here we go. So it tells us that Z is a point on line CD. The measure of angle DZE is 73 degrees, DZE. And then we have the measure of angle CZG, which is this one right here, is 39 degrees. And we have to find the measure of these other two angles. So we are looking for angle EZF. So you see that makes a 90 degrees, so we can call that one X. 90 minus 73 gives us our answer. 90 minus 73, and that gives us 17. So on the 17, and then we're looking for this one, we'll call it Y. Or no, we're not looking for that one, that's La. We're looking for GZE, this big angle right here. So we are looking for this whole angle, going to be our Y. So it is all of these put together that are laying on a straight line. Straight lines equal 180, so we can take 180 and minus the angles we know, which is 73 minus 39. And that gives us 73 minus 39, 68 is what we have left. Let's see if we're right. So the first one was 17 and then 68. Excellent, we did good. Alright, now we are going to take a snip again. We can write in our information. Alright, so the measure of angle RVS is 86. And we're looking for WVT, this one on the other side here. When angles make an X like this, they're called vertical angles, and those are congruent. So this also equals 86. Great job. All right, let's take a snip here. So angle FEA equals 20, and angle BED equals 45 degrees, and we are looking for angle AEC. So this is what we're looking for, AEC. This is our unknown. AEC, okay. So we see it makes a straight line with this 20-degree angle, so we can take 180 and subtract 20, and that gives us 160. And that should tell us, oops, I gotta type it correctly. There we go. And that gives you the explanation there. We go some more. Alright, so we know the angle RVS is 48, and we're looking for angle RVW. So notice how they make a straight line with each other, so straight lines always equal 180. So you take 180 minus 48. I know most of you can do this in your head, but if not, use your calculator just to check your answers, especially if you don't get it right. It's just practice. So that's 132. Oh, we're doing good. All right, so here we are at number 7. All right, let's see here. FEA is 20 again, and BED is 45. And we are looking for BEC. This is our missing angle right here. Notice how it makes a right angle with this 45-degree angle. So we can take 90 minus 45, which equals 45. And that is our answer. We did good. All right. What type of angle does SJT appear to be? So if this is a 90-degree angle here, inside the triangles, a triangle angles all add up to 180. So we can't have more than that. So these have to be less than 90 degrees. So that makes it an acute angle. Let's try another one. What type of angle does TCB look like? TCB. These are right angles over here. This one's obviously getting close, not bigger than a right angle, so that would be obtuse. And notice how they say appear because they're not telling you. What type of angle does CBY appear to be? So CBY, that one appears to be less than 90, so that's acute. Here we go. All right, let's take a snip so we can write all over this. All right, so angle SPT is 91, and the measure of RPS is 49. And what is the measure of TPR? So that means we're going to add these together. So 91 plus 49. That gives us 140. Let's put that in, see if we're right. Great. Let's try some more. All right, take a snip of this so we can write on it. All right, angle SPR. SPR is 53. And angle RPT. RPT, so the whole angle is 137 degrees. So we want to find that TPS, that missing angle. So we're going to take 137 and subtract 53. 137 minus 53, and that gives us 84. All right, take another snip. Uh-oh. All right, angle ADC is 43, and BDC, this whole angle, is 122. And we're looking for BDA, so we're going to take 122 and subtract 43. And that gives us 79. Doing good. Name the vertex. The vertex is where the two rays meet. That is point U. All right, now just measure these angles. So we're just going to do one on this one. That way we have time to do all of these. So you can move it up here, put it on the point, use this to get that at right on 0. And that's a little bit off. So angle H is right at 80. So we can check that one. But you move it around to measure the rest of those. I just want to make sure we have time to do them all. That's another one where you measure. All right. Let's do this one. Hang on, am I missing something? Let me make sure I'm not missing. Okay, just making sure. All right, so we have angle ABC is congruent to DEF. Angle ABC is 38 degrees. And congruent means equals. So this one also equals 38 degrees. And that's our answer. All right, last one. All right, so we have FGH. This angle is 112 degrees. And we need to find GHC, this angle right here. Well, it is congruent to this one. This one is on a straight line with the 112. So straight lines are 180, so we take 180 minus 112, and we get 68. So if this angle is 68, then this angle is 68. There we go. That's on your own practice.